I think that the merge is a big deal, especially looking back over the past, because this was this thing we used to, well, first of all, we couldn't do it at all. And then, I mean, back in the early days, I don't even think we could really even do multiple floors like there in early days. But now, being able to merge spaces together. And I have to tell you, like, I'll tell you a funny story about when I was experimenting with it. But I just couldn't believe that, for example, like if I wanted to, I don't have to only do the puzzle piece, the magnet tool to put spaces together that I know will fit, but I could put any combination of spaces together and make my own layout in using the merge tool. So I thought that was really, really cool, was that I could basically just click all the different models that I wanted to have appear in that scan, and then they would all show up together. So it's not, what I first thought was like, oh, I'm only going to use it to put maybe a floor and then another floor together.
Mhm.
But and then I realized that actually I could totally put, like, if there's a compound with 5 buildings, I could put all 5 buildings on that same plane, and that would be an amazing tour. Navigation is another thing, but I think that it's very cool that I could, if I wanted to, just build completely break the tradition that we had of really just working with one property in a single scan, and now it can be multiple together without having to contact support.